How to fix Honor Choice earbuds X5 one side not working. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is you can simply switch the audio device. If it happens during your call, please switch the audio to your phone and tablet speaker, then switch back to see if the voice levels on the two sides are equal. Then you can try to reconnect the earphones. So if this happen while playing music or audio connect, you need to please press a pause and then play again. If you still have one earphone louder or quieter, or if you are not able to find any audio in one side of your earbud, then you need to place the earphones back into the charging case and close the lid for 5 seconds. Then open the case and try to reconnect your earphone. You can even do the steps as shown in this picture over here. Then you can even try to change another audio or the player. So the audio resources require differently on mono or stereo channels. So once some signals of one of the channels are missing, you will hear no sound or one side of the moment. So please change the another audio source or the music player. You can even keep the earphones dry and clean. So if the ear tip gets wet, the sound may become low due to the water droplets gathering on the speaker's diaphragm. Please let your earphones air dry for a while in a ventilated environment with sufficient sunlight. You can use a clean cotton swab the wipe your earphone if the sound hole, a vent, or the mic hole is blocked by the dirt. You can even follow the steps that are shown in this picture over here. After that, you can even try to replace the earphone cover. So please choose the appropriate earphone covers that fit your ear canals. Be sure the left and the right covers are of the same model. You can even try to prevent the electromagnetic interface. So Bluetooth earphones may be disconnected or lose sound if there are Wi-Fi signal sources and microwave ovens and other objects with a strong electromagnetic interface, or when exposed to an area with a strong electromagnetic interface like the railway station. Second thing what you can do is you can simply upgrade the firmware of your earphones. For that, in the AI application, so you just have to simply connect to the earphones to earphone, then open the AI live application and access to the earphone interface. Then you just have to follow these instructions. If you are using Magic AI, then you just have to follow these instructions. There are some of the methods that you can try. If none of these method work for you, then you can perform a factory reset, and this is the final step that is going to definitely fix your issue. For that, you just have to place your earphone into the charging case like this, and then you just have to keep the lid open. Then you need to press and hold the function key for 10 seconds until the indicator light flashes, then release the reset the earphones to factory settings and repair them with the devices. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.